A sum 44000 is divided into three parts such that corresponding interest earned after 2 years, after 3 years, after 6 years at the rate of simple interest 6%, 8%, 6% respectively are equal. All the three persons got same equal interest. What is the sum? Find the smallest part of the sum. 44,000 rupees is divided among 3 persons. They are asking 3 persons, what is the smallest amount? What is the smallest amount divided? They are asking. Divided means splitted, not division. Assume the sum is divided into 3 parts as first part rupees X, first part rupees X, second part rupees YA. Third part rupees Z. If we add all the 3 parts, X plus Y plus Z is equal to 44000, equation 1. I am assuming X rupees, Y rupees, Z rupees divided 3 parts. If you add the 3 parts, you have to get 44,000 rupees. This you write first. Clearly write. Later on, if you revise the problem, you should know what we did. ₹44,000 is splitted into 3 parts. Divided means splitted. X rupees, Y rupees, Z rupees. If you add, you have to get 44,000 rupees. This is equation 1. After writing, listen. I will give sufficient time. Explanation cases, your concentration should be listening. That way you have to understand. At the time you should not copy, you should not try in your way. First part. Heading, first part. Principal X. Principal is X. First part, how many years invested? Two years, 3 years, 6 years. First part, 2 years. Rate of interest, first part, rate of interest 6%. First part. First part, n value given, rate of interest, n value given, rate of interest given. You calculate SI. Why sir we are calculating SI? Mean all the three parts interests are equal. Same manner, second part you try. Second part heading P is equal to Y. Second part heading capital P is equal to Y rupees. N value. N value is 3 years. I is equal to R is equal to 8%. I is equal to 0.08. SI calculation 0.24 YE. Third part you write n value correctly put, rate of interest I value correctly put. Second part clearly if you write, if you apply the formula you will be getting SI is equal to 0.24Y. Second part P is equal to Y. Second part Y. N value 6 years. N value 8. N value 3 years. N value 3 years. R is equal to 8%, I is equal to 0.08, 8 into 3, 24, 0.24Y, second part. Third part if you try, first part SI calculated, you are getting 0.12x, 0.12x, 0.24y, 0.36z. Interests are equal, all the three parts interests equal. Given that simple interests are equal, all the three parts get to same simple interest. All the three parts get to same simple interest. 0.12x is equal to 0.24y is equal to 0.3. First part simple interest, second part simple interest, third part simple interest. Given that all the simple interests are equal. We want to find x value, y value, z value. Whenever equation is equal to sign is getting like this, one letter you have to keep as it is. One letter you can keep as it is, any one letter. So I am going to keep z letter. I am going to keep y letter as it is. Y letter I am going to keep as it is. Any one letter you have to keep as it is. Keep any one letter. Keep any one letter fixed. Keep y fixed. X and z should be expressed in terms of y. Point 0.12 x is equal to 0.24 y. X is equal to x is equal to 2y. Y is kept. X converted to y. Z also had to convert to y. Which letter you are keeping fixed? Fix. Other two letter you have to convert into fixed letter. I am keeping y. X I am going to convert in terms of y. X in terms of y. Z in terms of y. X is equal to 2y. Z calculation. Whenever is equal to sign, three variables is equal to sign if we have, you want to calculate the variable value, what to do? Any one letter you can keep as it is, I leave it your choice. Here I am keeping y letter fixed, y letter as it is, y letter I am not going to touch. X letter I have to convert into y letter in terms of y letter. Z in terms of y. Y is kept. One of you can argue, sir, you are choosing y, I like x. X letter you keep as it is. Take y letter in terms of x convert. One time of y in terms of x. Y should be expressed in terms of x. Z should be compared in terms of x. So which letter you are keeping fixed? Other two letter you have to convert into the fixed letter rule. Substitute in equation 1. Substitute in equation 1. X plus y plus z is equal to 44000. Substitute in equation 1. X plus y plus z x in terms of z, x in terms of y to y, y, z in terms of y. LCM 6y 3y I calculated everything in terms of y. I kept y as it is. X I converted in terms of y. Z I converted in terms of y. Substitute in equation 1. You are getting 12,000. Question is smallest part. Whether x is the smallest part. Y is equal to 12,000. X is equal to 24,000. So x is not a small. Y value calculated. Whether x is a small, y is a small, z is a small, which letter is small? X is equal to 2y. Y is 4,000. 8,000. X 8,000. 2 by 3 y. 2 by 3 y mean if it 12,000. If you put 12,000, you will be getting 8,000. If you put 2y, 24,000. If you put y is equal to 12,000, 8,000. Z 8,000, 24,000, 12,000. Now, x is equal to 2y. Once again explain, carefully listen. Because the 30th problem you have to do the same manner. 30th problem still less. 30th problem ratio they ask. They are not asking this. They are asking after finding directly ratio. They didn't ask how much each person. They didn't ask. We are not going to use this. We are not going to substitute. We are not going to calculate. Still simple 30th problem.